The Internet, as we know it today, was not invented by a single person or organization. Instead, it was the result of the work of many people and organizations over several decades. The early foundations of the Internet were laid in the 1960s, when the U.S. Department of Defense began funding research into computer networking. At the time, computers were large, expensive machines that were primarily used by government agencies and large corporations. The goal of this research was to develop a way for these computers to communicate with each other, in order to share resources and information. In 1969, the first successful demonstration of computer networking took place, linking 4 computers at universities in California, Utah, and Colorado. This early network was called the ARPANET, and it was the first operational packet switching network. The development of new networking technologies continued throughout the 1970s and 1980s, and by the end of the decade, several thousand computers were connected to the Internet. The World Wide Web, which is the system of interlinked hypertext documents that we use to access information on the Internet, was developed in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee, working at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. The Internet continued to grow rapidly in the 1990s, and by the end of the decade, nearly half of all American households had Internet access. Today, the Internet is a global network of networks that connects billions of people and devices, and it has become an essential tool for communication, commerce, education, and more.